In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show pre-market and extended hours on TradingView charts. Start by going to tradingview.com/chart in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once the page loads, you should be looking at the main TradingView chart dashboard. This is where you'll load an intraday chart and turn on the extra session data. At the top left of the chart toolbar, click the symbol search box. This is the field that shows the current ticker symbol. In that box, type AAPL, then press enter. That loads Apple on the chart so you can work with a US stock that supports pre-market and after-hours data. Next, move to the top toolbar and click the time frame selector right next to the symbol. From the list, choose 5M. That means the chart is now set to 5-minute candles, which is an intraday time frame and is required for viewing extended hours on TradingView. Now open the chart settings. You can do this in either of two ways shown on screen. You can right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Settings from the menu, or you can click the gear icon in the top right of the chart. Either way opens the same settings window. Inside the Chart Settings dialog, go to the left sidebar and click Symbol. In this section, scroll down until you reach Session. Under Session, look for the checkbox labeled Extended Trading Hours. Click that checkbox to turn it on. This setting tells TradingView to display the pre-market and post-market session directly on the chart. Then click OK to close the dialog and apply the change. You should now see the extra candles outside the regular market session. To quickly control this without reopening settings, look at the bottom right corner of the chart just to the left of the clock and time zone label. There you'll see the X button. Click X once to toggle extended hours off. When it turns off, the lighter pre-market and post-market candles disappear. Click X again to toggle them back on, and those candles return to the chart. At this point, your chart shows a more complete view of price action across the full trading day, including activity before and after the regular session. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end.